So here's some solutions to some of the work yesterday for you. So the first one in question 1 was f of x equals 6x minus 2 from minus 2 to 2 and the real numbers in between. Okay, so we wanted to draw a graph. So the question was draw a graph, but in order to draw a graph we need to find the points. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let x equal to minus 2. So 6 times minus 2 is minus 14. So minus 2 and the point you get out is minus 14. When x is minus 1, 6 times minus 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 8. So minus 1 and minus 8. When x is 0, 6 times 0 take away 2 is minus 2. When x is 1, 6 times 1 is 6, take 2 is 4, 1 comma 4, and finally when x is 2. So we use the values between our two extreme values here. X is greater than or equal to minus 2, less than or equal to 2. So 6 times 2, take away 2, is 10. So 2 and 10. And the important thing here, so this is part I, the first one, is to try and keep your graphs kind of neat, okay? Because that's what they're really looking for in the exam, is the graph, okay? But you have to show the work in order to find the graph. So I'm going to go split it here somewhere. So something like this. X and y axis, x axis, y axis. I go up in 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8, minus 10, minus 12, minus 14. And I go across minus 1, minus 2, 0, 1, and 2. So I'm going to plot the points. So the first one is x is minus 2, y is minus 14. So minus 2 down to minus 14 and put a dot. Okay. The next one is minus 1 down as far as minus 8. The next one is 0, minus 2. I'm going in 2s. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 1 up to 4. And 2 up to 10. And when you have it drawn, you should get a straight line, like so. Okay? And you can join those with a ruler. Now, the next one I'm going to do out for you here is part 5. So V, part 5. I'll leave that one there for you. So V says g of x, so written slightly different, so graph of x, g for graph, 2 of x plus 3 over 4, and it's between minus 8 to minus 2. Okay, so no pluses for the x's. So again, I'm going to substitute in these numbers from minus 8, minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, and stopping at minus 2. So when x is minus 8, 2 times minus 8 plus 3/4 is equal to, and you can use your calculator if you're not confident, okay? And I get minus 15.25. Okay, so that might encourage you to use the calculator maybe more often, okay, just with the decimals. When x is minus 7, 2 times minus 7 plus 3/4 will be minus 13.25. Okay, and just keep going slowly. Minus 6, so 2 times minus 6 plus 3/4 equals minus 11.25 minus 5 minus 9.25 minus 4 minus 7.25 minus 3 so minus 3 minus 5.25 and finally minus 2. Okay, so there's your set of values. And now you want to use that set of values, which I'm just going to shift up to the top of the page here for you, because that's what I'm going to use to draw this graph, okay? So, let's see how we get on. Alright, so now this graph is going to be a bit trickier, right? So it's all minuses really. So I'll go down a good bit. There's no pluses. So 0, minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8. And it's all these minuses down here I need. So I need to get minus 1, minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8, minus 10, minus 12, minus 14, minus 16. So x-axis, y-axis. So it's all down here. So minus 8, the whole way down to minus 15.25. So somewhere like so. Minus 7, which is here, down to minus 13.25. Minus 6, minus 11.25. Minus 5, minus 9.25. So 0.25 is about a quarter of a box, but it doesn't have to be exact, okay? Minus 3, minus minus 3 down to minus 5.25 and minus 2 down to minus 3. So again, if I join them, I have my line like so. Okay, and that's a graph then for you as well. So there's 2 of the questions from yesterday. Okay, and I'm going to put out homework now as well for you.